Hi, my name is Don Clegg, Vice President of Marketing and Business Development at Supermicro. And I'm really pleased today to be able to give you a look at some of the products we're introducing at SC14 here in New Orleans. For instance, really pleased to be able to show you our Ultra family. The Ultra is an entire ecosystem of products in 1U and 2U form factors. It takes advantage of the new Haswell latest and greatest Intel processors, the most memory in a platform, most options for add-on cards, extremely well designed from a thermal point of view, highest efficiency power, flexibility options you wouldn't believe. So if we take a look at it, 24 DIMMs, great airflow, supports things like SAS 3, that's the fastest SAS controllers today, and NVMe, the non-volatile memory express, not just NVMe, but hot pluggable NVMe. Features like that on the front end, flexibility on the back end, name your fabric. We'll put it in with the flexibility of the Supermicro internal fabric add-on cards. Again, in a 1U and a 2U, 4 add-on cards, 8 add-on cards, great options for memory, 2.5 and 3.5 inch drives. And within that family of Ultra, we even have a 1U that's been fine-tuned for verticals such as the financial service industry, for enterprise applications that need the E7 series of CPUs, whether it's the 8800, 4800, 2800 E7s, we've got an entire family of products as well. This is showing a 4 CPU EX enterprise platform, 24 hard drives, and the real key on this is up to 96 DIMMs. That's 12 terabytes of memory that you can get with up to 11 add-on cards. Many people don't realize, but Supermicro and Intel co-invented the twin architecture, that it's so ubiquitous in data centers today. What's the secret of a twin architecture? It's multiple nodes within one chassis. So we've got one here, easily slides in and out. But what I think is really cool that I'd like to show everybody is that, notice all the wires on this board. Actually, there's no wires. It's set up with very, very high, the highest end efficiency platforms, options for add-on cards, memory, non-volatile memory. I mean, it's really the workhorse of a data center. And not to be outdone, but for different applications, the Fat Twin architecture. Fat Twin is an entire ecosystem of products based around a 4U architecture. We're just showing one of the many, many designs. In this case, 4 nodes in a 4U box. You can get it with 8 nodes, you can get it with 2 nodes, you can get it to support GPUs, you can get it to be front I/O. Many times you can't get to the back of a box because of all the cables. Get one with front I/O or rear I/O. Highest efficiency power supplies, more memory options, things like non-volatile memory express drives, SAS, 12 gigabit SAS. Even if you don't put in SAS drives, you're going to get better performance. Supermicro's got an amazing lineup of blade products. Looking at our standard blade today, it's a 7U enclosure, but what I really like about it is, look at the different varieties we have, from 4 CPUs, 2 CPUs. We have it set up for add-on cards, for different fabrics in the back, more flexibility, better cost, better performance, highest efficiency, and even things, believe it or not, something as simple as putting liquid cooling doesn't require anything special with the Supermicro blades. This is our micro blade, and for the micro blade, compute density is #1 in the world, and not only compute density, but it's the flexibility. Whether you want Atom, whether you want a UP single Xeon CPU, or to me what's really cool, I haven't seen anybody else with it, dual processor Xeon Haswells set up to go, do the math, 14 of these, all hot swappable on the top, 14 on the bottom. That's 28 DP Xeons, all in a 6U, in a blade enclosure with the fabric built in, no external switches needed. If you want to do some serious rendering, you can put 4 double width graphics cards, showing 4 here, with the ability to add 2 additional cards and have Thunderbolt support. It's like 16 DIMMs, a terabyte of memory. Again, some serious rendering with this workstation box. Talking about HPC and what you can do with Xeon Phis and with GPUs, if you look at this platform, it's got 4 double width Xeon Phis or GPUs, with the latest, fastest Intel Haswell V3s. Supermicro's got an incredibly dynamic range of AMD-based platforms. For instance, 1 CPU, 2 CPUs, 4 CPUs, up to 32 DIMMs, great memory footprints, fantastic efficiency. With Numascale, we have a platform now that uses a shared memory architecture. You can stack these boxes, share them all without a switch. It's essentially a giant shared memory platform. And it's all a testament to Supermicro's engineering. Well, thanks for joining us here at SC14. We'll see you again next year.